Introducing Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare, an online conference hosting prominent pioneering doctors along with latest technology experts. It is an online conference happening globally on the 21st of August to bring about and actualize the brightest ideas that can build the future of the healthcare ecosystem.
It will be a platform for the coming together and collaboration of medical institutions with technologists, encompassing all the potential that artificial intelligence brings and all the avenues where it is already adding value with its many applications in the domain of healthcare.
The conference will explore various applications of artificial intelligence and emerging technologies in early screening, disease classification, and various applications. In dermatology, classifying different types of lesions through smartphone cameras. In oncology, classifying and grading tumors and also localizing scans to the area of concern. In physiotherapy, AI finds its applications for gait analysis and estimation of the human pose in sport and movement applications. While in neurology, applications may be focused on classifying dementia, epilepsy prediction, and early classification of Alzheimer's. In cardiology, heart arrhythmia with ECG through fitness variables. In ophthalmology, classifying diabetic retinopathy through retina scans.
And in epidemiology, identifying the trends and patterns of the spread of disease, mapping it geographically, and predicting data points of the spread, and later predicting herd immunity and pathology diagnostics. Applications in doctor workflow assisting tools, such as in cleaning data of radiology scans, and organization and communication coordination tools. Development of patient helping tools through data collection and digitization. Automation apps and virtual assistants helping the patients through the process can all be explored through artificial intelligence.
Sign up with the link to join us for exploring these vast range of ideas and all the potential that AI uncovers in healthcare. See you on the 21st.